Hello everybody, this is Walter Schaefer back on the Hawker Hurricane. Well, in the last video I showed you the strobe flashes for the machine gun fire, and today I will make the whole assembly. Therefore I have to print some parts with my 3D printer. This is a MakerBot Replicator 2, and first I'd like to show you the pushing operation in a short cut. Well, first the platform will move into position and the electronic will heat up the extruder for the PLA. That takes some seconds, well, nearly around a minute, because the PLA needs around 230 degrees for printing. The extruder is now 227 degrees, and I think it will start in a few seconds. Well, here he comes, yep. The first layers of PLA are the raft, so that on this raft the part will be printed. So, as you can see, the raft is finished, and now the printer will continue to print two parts. After 11 minutes, around 54% of these two parts are finished. Okay, after 16 minutes we have around 75% of these parts. Now we have 19 minutes and 92% is done. Okay, the part is ready and finished, and the platform moves back in the normal position. Now we can remove the part from the platform. Well, for removing these two parts, I normally use a small scraper. Go under it, and here it is. Now, after removing the parts from the raft, it looks like this. Okay, for the gun port on the leading edge, I need different parts. So first, here is a carbon tube, and for the gun barrel I used aluminium tube, and here is the opening for the LED. I will glue the 5mm LED in the front of the barrel. Okay, so putting that assembly together means this part here will be glued at the end of the tube, like this. Okay, and the other part, the counterpart, is glued on the gun barrel. So you can see both parts fits very nicely. So, okay, and this part here too is for fixing the gun barrel, is a 2mm screw I can use here. So it's like this. You can see. So you can fix this part here. Okay. When we put the whole assembly together, I told you that I will glue this part here, the end of the carbon tube. Here the 2mm screw and the counterpart. So, okay, because I have to make the gun barrel removable. So when it's here, put this thing inside and I can fix it with that screw. So the whole assembly looks like this. Okay folks, that's for today. Have a nice time. Bye bye.